I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and this is your weather on demand. Well, it was a very chilly and certainly raw day today. Temperatures only topped out 39 degrees. That's all we could do. Normal is 52. So yes, it's 13 degrees below where we should be this time of year. Really, the low is just a couple of degrees above, but still we shake out well below average. Look at that sunset though, 8:51. Pretty impressive. 24-hour temperature change, well, everybody across upper Michigan is below average where we were yesterday at this time. 12 degrees colder in Iron Mountain than it was on Saturday evening, and this is our big spot here, minus 17. It's almost 20 degrees colder than we were yesterday over in Iron River. Parts of the eastern UP, just a few degrees, but still that cold rain is just holding the warm air in check. Here's to take a look at the temperatures here, and let's play Find the Front. Really, it's not too difficult here, right between Minneapolis and Des Moines, just north of Pierre, South Dakota, and Bismarck there. And so that's going to be the stationary front that's going to be, and really has been affecting our weather today and will be over the next day or so. Look at the warmth though, confined mainly to the south, 76 in St. Louis, even not bad in Chicago, 67 there, mid-70s in Nebraska, and all the way back into Ohio. It's us here in the upper Great Plains there and even upper Midwest, 39 degrees in Thunder Bay. Looking at the satellite, now some of us didn't see as much rainfall as maybe we were expecting today. However, the southern UP, they did get clobbered pretty much consistently, especially towards Escanaba and Menominee. But generally the trend is going to be where this heavy band of precipitation is going to push its way to the north and east. So yes, the heaviest rain is still yet to come during the day on Monday. We can see the general flow from the southwest is going to help that come to fruition there. So tracking this out for you on Future View, we are dealing with mainly steady rain and transitions to heavier rain the overnight hours into Monday morning. You'll need to tack on a few extra minutes for your morning commute there, as the rain will probably slow that down. And watch also too how the reds and the oranges, that also means very heavy rain, as this slow moving low pressure system finally tracks its way to the east Monday evening. But still, the whole time, this is exactly why the rain will be actually intensifying throughout the day. As the low gets closer to us, it helps push or boost that rain band right up into really parts that didn't see much rainfall today. They will on Monday. Finally, Monday night into Tuesday morning, the low goes south, and so does the heaviest of the rain. Tuesday, the sun comes out and gives us some much needed clearing and at least some nice sunny weather. Closer look at some of the rainfall numbers. Now, mind you, this is already in addition to what we saw on Sunday. Some spots fared about a quarter to maybe a third of an inch of rain across the south. Monday, though, will be a different story. We'll see rain totals closer to an inch to even 2 inches down south. So here's Monday afternoon, and finally the northern suburbs, even in the Keweenaw, starting to pick up on some rainfall as well. So when all is said and done, we are still talking about 1 to 3 inches of rain for everybody, though the heaviest will be in the south. Looking at the temperatures though, well, this is kind of a boring map. Everything is holding steady. Tonight, middle 30s and even upper 30s across the southern UP, places like Manistee. Monday, very pitiful day, only in the low 40s at best. 38 up in Copper Country there, 41 out in Munising, 39 in Manistee. So a very cold and raw day continues, but the other factor will be the wind. They'll be blowing pretty strongly from the east. Tuesday morning we start colder, near 30 degrees. Tuesday finally, with some clearing and some sun, we'll struggle to make it to 50 degrees. Now the rest of your TV 6-day forecast. So once we make it to Tuesday, I think we're in a decent spot here. We will have another cold night in store. Temperatures will dip into the middle 20s. Then we start a very slow warming trend, at least closer to average where we should be, come Thursday with mostly sunny skies. Friday the clouds do come back, but at least we're in the 50s.